In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple pages in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left here where you can see this thumbnails icon and you want to click on it, and it's going to open up all your pages in this page view over here. Now, to delete multiple pages at once, you have two options. You could either click on this first one, for example, hold down your Control key and then click on the other ones as well. So as you can see, now the first, the third, and then I'm going to hold down Control key and press on the fifth one as well. Now these three are selected. I can go and just click on this delete button over here and the pages are going to get deleted. So that's the first way you could do this. And the second one is if you have like a sequence of pages, like a range you want to delete, for example from 1 to 4 here, I could go and click on the first one, hold down my shift key and then click on the fourth one, and then that range is going to be selected and I can just click on up here delete and those pages are going to get deleted. So those are the two ways you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.